Okay, without too much fanfare, this is it, the last model I've got to show you. This is as you may know if you know the airplanes, the Hawk T1, and in this case the Solo display version for, I think it was 2008 is the year they had it painted up like this. I built this in, let me think now, 2014 I think, when I was yeah, in my 40s. Yeah, the modern training colours are black, but they've made it all fancy with this special scheme which is suggesting that the paint is peeling off and underneath is British, so it's like British to the core, sort of RAF jets. Anyway, very similar. It's the same kit as the Red Arrows kit, which I showed in another video. You've got the RAF Benevolent Fund logo on the underside as well. Nice big RAF roundel with a heart instead of the red dot. Always nice. That's a bit tricky to put on, so you got to think about what you're doing, and you obviously put the decals which come with them, they're marked so you can put them on separately for the doors, and got to make sure the large decal lines up with the wheel wells underneath. So that's one thing which makes this kit harder than usual. Other than that, the other big large decal you got to watch out for is the ones on the side. I think this is it must be a 2 decals, because to wrap around like this. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. I wasn't able to get exactly lined up, so there's no gap, but there's a little tiny black gap that shouldn't be there. But somebody with more patience than I am could probably slot it together. But again, it makes it trickier than usual decal scheme to apply. The ones on the wings are easy enough, and just like the Red Arrows example I built on another video I showed you, I got the white putty line, I call it, the seal around the canopy, which again I used fingernail and a bit of tape to make a little bit of a gap between the tape and the edge of the canopy, and I painted through, and when I peel off the tape you've got a little gap, you've got a little line around the edge of the canopy there. And it's the version with the grooves in the inside, so which you can paint using a paint over and wipe clean sort of technique to have the detonation code for the canopy, the ejector seat. Lots of decals here, even little footprints, do not walk here or walk here markings. A good kit. And yeah, the last one I'm going to show you for a few months, unless I might do something else instead of this, but yeah, I think you've seen all my kits now, ones I've built. So, in a very childish, not well as childish, but a silly way, I'm going to fly this one off. There we go. Anyway, just having a bit of fun with, grown-up fun with models I've made. Here we are. Thanks for watching all these kits I've shown you. I hope they've been slightly entertaining, if you can understand what I'm saying, and enjoy your very much grown-up hobby of model making. Bye bye.